Right then. Hello, welcome to another Ride in Times. Let's go and check out some trails. They're going to be a bit wet. Let's see how far we get. And we are really into the back roads here, aren't we? Where is it? This way? Or that way? I think this is the way here. Here we go. Go and give it a go anyway. Yeah, the track is still pretty dry actually. I mean, there is a bit of moisture in there, but that's all it's done is really taken the dust out of it. It's quite dark under here, so you've got to be extra mindful of sort of low hanging branches, that kind of thing. Look at that. Lots of trees have fallen down here. Wow, look at this. It's almost like a night ride, this, isn't it? I mean, it's, with a cloud cover overhead, and it's just, it really has. To get some water on the lens here. Wow, look at this, amazing. Oh, blimey. I could check this out. Oh yeah, wow, hold on. Just check this out. It's really dark under here. Oh my god, wow, look at this. It's a slope going up that way. Lots of trees. And it's, canopy's quite thick here as well in places. So it really is sort of cutting out the light. I mean, it's, early morning now. It's just gone 5:30. Wow. Just got to be careful every time you're going over sort of roots and stuff. That's because it might be a bit slippery. So I don't want to slip off. You've got to kind of hit them at 90 degrees really. Okay, there's a fallen tree there. Let me go around that. Keep it simple the whole time. Get back on the trail now. I don't know if it's this way or that way. I think there's two or three different trails here. Let's go on this one. Soon find out. Problem is, you've got lots of different branches heading off in similar directions, you know, and you're just kind of trying to follow your nose a little bit, really. Yeah, amazing. A bit of a dugout there. So you look at the land features sometimes and you think, well, this is a bit odd. You know what I mean? That's a bit odd, that's a bit weird. Alright, so coming up to a left turn here somewhere, shortly. There we go, this one. So what I'm going to do, see if there's a go back on the way I came and just carry on the other track and see if I can get out there. Yeah, put a bit of a block there, and I haven't really got the clearance to get over those, so take it easy down on the downhill slope. Just lean back on put some weight on the back tyre. There we go. Carry on left, I think. Yeah, there we go. getting deeper and deeper and darker here. Pegs. Wow, look at this. Amazing, you come away from the tree cover a little bit and you know it's light again. Just clean the lens off there a little bit.